First of all, welcome back to my channel. I am definitely not in the mood to film this cake right now. I just spent 3 hours trying to make red buttercream, and the first attempt was an absolute failure. It's like maroon now, and so let's back up. I added red, and then I added a different color red because it was kind of pink, and that turned it like a darker pink. It wasn't red, so I added black, and then it turned purple. And then I was YouTubing and Googling how to make red buttercream, and I came across this microwave method, and in the video it like totally worked, but it was a total disaster in my kitchen. So I figured I'd save this just in case this batch didn't go well, but even if I saved it, I can't use it, so that's a complete waste. But yeah, I'm on round 2. My buttercream's pink instead of red, but I prayed. I asked the Lord to turn my buttercream red, and now I'm just waiting. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Update on the buttercream situation. I think it's red enough. It's not like deep red, true red, but it is red. So I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be making a Mickey Mouse cake today. So yeah, let's get decorating. Alright, and I'm just gonna pop this in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes just so that I can get the buttercream to harden. That way I can put my final coat of buttercream on.